com códigos de dança de salão. Não tem tradicional. Era um erro dos primeiros professores. Não tinha informação normal. Agora, podemos trabalhar para cambiar. Nunca é tarde demais. Não existe kizomba tradicional. Não existe selva tradicional. É selva, acabou. É kizomba, acabou. Aplausos para os meninos de selva. Márcio Junqueira. O meu irmão. Muito obrigado aos meus monitores. Aplausos! Vamos agradecer corretamente o meu irmão, Dr. Kizomba, por favor. Vamos começar a filmar. Aplausos para o Dr. Kizomba. Muito obrigado a todos. E esta classe é muito especial por causa de vocês. A família italiana sempre presente em classe de carnaval de Mr. Tegas. Muito obrigado. Aquela menina vai fazer isso. É aqui. Urban Kids. Carnaval Urban. Os meus percussionistas, não no momento de casa. Sim, senhora. É o nosso irmão de Guiné. Mas é um Guiné. O nosso irmão Yannis com a percussão que lá do Rio, tudo errado. Muito obrigado a todos, muito obrigado a toda a família Caivane. Muito obrigado, estou muito feliz pela vossa recepção. Muito obrigado. Aquela hora, o Fernando perguntou se eu tenho que voltar ou não. Acredito que ele já conhece a resposta. Enquanto eu tiver o Lázaro como meu padrinho, eu estarei aqui. Obrigado. A classe acabou. Grazie a tutti. Grazie. Obrigado, família Caivane. Obrigado. Foto. Tutti donna guapa, solo guapas à frente. As mais bonitas à frente. As mais ou menos. Manuel, para a sua música, Manuel. Para a sua música. Família, eu preciso de vocês. Obrigado. Traz minha mão, traz a percussão, traz. Todos na foto, todos. Primo, Ah, problema de lapa. Ah, problema. Ele tem problema, está demais na Kizomba. Quando está comigo, vamos tirar foto. Foto. 1, 2, 3, Semba. 1, 2, 3, Carnavale. 1, 2, 3, Carimba. 1, 2, 3, Semba. 1, 2, 3. Carimba. Ok, allora, classe con Dottor Kizomba, classe, workshop. Todas as mulheres gostam de tarraxinha.
Laura, come and get the microphone, girl. Laura. Performing. All right. Guys, we're going to start the Kizomba class right now. We're going to do a little bit of machine. All right? So, I want to see. That's what I want to believe. That's what I believe. He said, all right, my people, we're going to start the Kizomba class, okay? No, where you at, girl? Where's my papa? Okay. Come on, girl. You a little shit, girl. Okay. All right. So we're gonna start the Kizomba class. Ladies, you can stay behind Laura, okay? Leaders, you can stay behind me right here, okay? Come on. Let's go, okay? Laura, in Spanish, yeah. How do you say it? Medina. Okay, let's go. Take your time. Come on. We're gonna go. Okay? Come on, let's go. Okay, so, loud. That's good, all right? We have a good problem, all right? Yeah. Don't worry, my brothers. Laura, let's start.
Okay.
We good? Okay, yeah. So, a high How are you? Okay. My name is Manuel, okay?
Il mio nome è Laura.
We dance together,
Parliamo insieme.
and she's an amazing dancer for Italy.
Mi ha detto che sono una ballerina e ricambio i complimenti alla nostra ballerina, insomma, con le pagine.
She is shy. Okay, you see? Man. Okay, all right. Bingo! All right, so let's go. Now, the first one, we're going to start slowly, just with a carrasina, yeah? Before we start the car, we need to do a run, okay? So, this one is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hit them up. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Hit them up and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Capito? You got it? Okay, let's go. 5, 6, put it up, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hit it. And 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Arrivederci.
Ragazzi, ciao. Allora, noi per fare questo movimento abbiamo bisogno di schiacciare le ginocchia. Se rimaniamo con le ginocchia dritte è impossibile riuscire ad avere una mobilità di bacino. Cioè, immaginate, potrei fare solo questo, no? Ok, quindi devo per forza piegare e poi stendere, piegare e stendere. Ovviamente dal basso, sali piano piano. Ok, ciao. Il segreto è usare le ginocchia, ok? 5, 6, 7, vado, lento, 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 lento e veloce, veloce, lento, ancora, 1, 2, lento, lento e 1, 2, 3. In questo caso il peso rimane sempre a destra.
Okay, let's go, man. Ladies, on the other side. Leaders, on the yeah. Oh, yeah. We need to we're gonna start with Tarashina, okay? Okay, so, leaders, the movement, hands down. Lock it up, okay? All right, okay. 1, 2, Okay, that was just the beginning. Okay, so 5, 6, 7 together. 1 and 2. Okay, guys, this is how the lady know how good you are. Translation.
Ragazzi, questo è il vostro momento, perché insomma, le ragazze riusciranno a capire la vostra potenza.
Okay, if in the room is going to work. Go. Go now. Okay? Oh. No, Sventina, no. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Okay. Hey, now, you gotta speak English, okay? Because we have people that may complain that you Italians only speak Italian. And the ladies are not understanding because it's only Italian. Cosa nostra, what's up?
But I'm lucky because I know that these two ladies are very good dancers, so I'm lucky. I think that they can understand me only.
Okay, there you go.
Yes. In fact, the importance of this steps. Yes. Okay, I tried. I'm sorry for my sisters. I know that it's very bad, but the secret is let's the knee. Okay, because we can move the hips without this movement.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Step back, leaders. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Arriba derecho. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 back. And 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna start our kizomba. Yeah? You got it? Okay, now. So how we gonna do this?
Ragazzi, venire una macchina con un devo riferito. Ok, una linea qui. Qua. E adattare il pochettino.
Okay, so now, first line, step back. First line, step back, step back, step back, yeah. We're gonna go all the way back here, yeah. Second line, step back, yeah. Step back, yeah, step back, yeah. Go get a woman, yeah. Okay, step back, okay. Ooh, Selena's in the building, all right. Now, right here, no, line, step back, yeah. Right here, connect. Come on, my brother. No. Stay right here. No, right here. Yes, right here. Right there too. Lock the circle. Hermano, blanco, yeah, allá. Medio, look. This one. Come here. Un círculo, yeah. Ven con un rectángulo, ahora sí, yeah. Good. Hey, all the single ladies. Hey. No. Para. Quédate allá. Yeah. Hombre, you go. Okay, gracias. Muchas gracias. Hello. All right, good. Ven.
Se c'è proprio donna per i nostri senza leader, si mette tra una coppia e l'altra, così facciamo, quando cambiamo.
Now that's good? Okay, so we're gonna change clockwise, okay? The leaders switch. The leaders go like tick tock, okay? So, like this. The leader, yeah. Usually the leader is the man, okay? But right now it's complicated with the new word. Okay, so let's do it. Don't translate that. Hold your partners, please. I'm gonna swing at this microphone. Can you hear me? Okay, let's go. So let's go. 5 and 6. Hold it tight. Hold them tight. Yeah. A cabeza, desde aquí. Bueno, all right. Aquí, con instrumentos. Yeah. Step, cha-cha-cha, here we go. Cambio!
vado, 1, 2, 3, 4 e 1, 2, lento ancora, 1, 2, lento e 1, 1, 2, 3 e vado, 1, 2, passo,
Cambio, cambio. All right, good job. Okay. Hey, please, Laura, translate this. Don't look in the eye after Carrasina. Don't look in the eye, no, okay? The eye is powerful, okay? Guys, Laura, translate it.
Ok ragazzi, dopo per il passo con la ciglia non guardiamoci negli occhi perché potrebbero succedere cose.
Oh, thank you. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Jesus. 1, 2, 3. I. 1, 2, 3. Uy. I. And uy. And 1, 2. Cha. Step. Cha. Side together. Azúcar. Okay, good stuff. Cambio. Hola. Oh my God, my cell phones. Oh snap. Yeah. Laura. Jesus.
4 e 1, 2, letto ancora, 1, 2, letto.
Ay,
1,
quizás.
3, 4
Ay.
e 1, 2, letto.
Cha.
1, 2, cha, passo, e
Ay. Cambio. Okay. Now with the music. Okay. Now with the music. Wait. The music.
ma io sono di prova, microphone.
Huh?
I think
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't have to scream. Yeah. Music. Hey, wait. Listen. Everybody have different families, okay? Translate that, Laura, please. In my house, we had a big house in Angola, okay? And my mom, she could talk to me if she was on the top floor and I was on the bottom. Because we just talk like that. Mom, what? You know? Yeah. It's like that in my house. So when I got out of my house, you talk like no, we are not like that. Excuse me if I'm loud, it's because of my mama, okay? Let's go. Música. One. and 3, and 4. Flourishing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Side together. Beautiful. Applause for yourself. All right. Divorcio. All right. Ladies on one side, leaders on the other side. Let's go to the second movement, okay? Second movement. Divorcio con beneficio. Leaders, come to one side. Ladies, go to the other side. Laura, I don't know how to say divorcio in Italian. Oh, divorcio. Sure, okay. All right. So, okay, second step. Second step, my people. Okay, you did your processo, come back. Toma. Stop. No. You're gonna go. 1, 2 lazy leg. Connect back. Continue. No, don't go my because it's on. And then big. Okay, so lazy leg, continue, and then go. You saw that? Okay, look. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Stop. So 1, 2. Slowly connect. Bring it back, and then she's right here. Lazy leg. Connected, and then she's right here. Lazy leg. Connected, and she's right here. Okay? So that's our simple Kizomba step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Put the 2 right here. Now 3 goes close. 3, 4, and then 5. Bring back. Don't put the weight. Say that. Don't put the weight on this side right here because it's going to be another step. Okay? All right. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cha, cha, cha. Step. Cha, cha, cha. Step. People.
Per noi il tempo è sempre lo stesso, sono loro che rallentano, cioè fanno movimenti più lenti ma sempre sulla stessa statistica, i movimenti normali, ok? Sì, no, guarda, noi andiamo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ciaccia, ok? È lui che rallenta e, cioè in realtà non è che sta rallentando, sta facendo un movimento un po' più, esatto. Impiega 2 esempi. I nostri 2 esempi, ok?
I am not crazy, okay? But I never went to the doctor to check it. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, again, so right here, Biko, bring it back, step, shinga, and continue, yeah? Again, from the top, just one more time, and then the lady's gonna go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That is beautiful. Give a round of applause for Laura.
Allora, come la fine della lettura ci siamo, dobbiamo semplicemente fare una camminata in apertura, quindi 1, 2, balance, dall'inizio, andiamo 5, 6, 7, vado, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quindi ah, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C'era. Chiudo e poi vado. Esatto. Quindi dopo la riga, chiudo e poi.
I got your back.
So, after the riga, we close, and then we start with the same length. Okay, quindi I don't really the weight on this length. Sorry.
No, it's fine. It's good. Applause. It's good.
I go 1, 2, balance. E qui ognuno di noi tirare qualcosa più stile, quindi se abbiamo un po' di movimento è il momento giusto per mettere un po' di pese, no? Ai passi. Quindi vado e piego e risalto. Quindi if I flex belly, the movement can be very bigger.
¿Qué tiene tremendo? Go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, and that's the one. All right, so just one more time. Just one more time. So we're gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay? So everybody got that? All right, so now let's practice. Ladies, please go back to your normal positional system. Please go. My brother, always. Yeah. All right, good. Amen. Okay, let's go. Andiamo. 5, 6, 7. Only the second part. Yes. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. On 5, the leg is connected right here. 5, okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Cambio. Ya tú sabes.
5, 6, 7, vado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5 stop?
Sì. Da nuovo.
5, 6, 7, andiamo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bonito. Cambio. What's up, girl? 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Bico, stop on Bico. All right. One more time. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Cambio. Laurita.
Eccomi. 5, 6, 7, andiamo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bico. Bico. One more time now, one more time. We want to pray.
5, 6, 7, andiamo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.
Ay, ay, ay. So young is good. 5 and 6. Hold the mic. Look at 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Finish your breakfast this time. Okay, one more time. Finish your breakfast. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Azúcar. There you go. That's Suriname, Para Malibu.
Per le donne non è una salita, non diciamo in salita, andiamo avanti sulla stessa linea.
Listen. Only the last part. 5, 6, 7, go loud.
Tutta. 5, 6, 7, vado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Avete visto gli ultimi tre passi? Non sono qua. Quindi leader dovete tenere la donna davanti a voi, ok? E anche noi donne non dobbiamo avere noi follower, non dobbiamo avere la tendenza.
Parla.
Ok. Non dobbiamo avere la tendenza ad andare a uscire, ok? Noi abbiamo l'uomo davanti, abbiamo il
Contatto, no? Ok. Adesso perdón, go. It's good? Applause for that. Okay, so let's go now from the top with the Tarashina. Okay? Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, mata. 1, 2, 3, mata. 1, close the 1, 2, close the 1, 3, close the 1, 4, only 1, 2, 3, passa move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we forgot the cha-cha, man. Oh, disculpa, perdón, it's me. Teacher made mistakes too, man. Okay, let's go ahead. Forget about this. Will Smith. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Shinha. 1, 2, 3. Colada. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, girl. We survive. We survive. Switch! All right. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes, okay? Yeah. 5, 6. Louder. Amigo. Okay. Dim. Louder.
Yes, I'm here. I was going to ok, ci siamo 5, 6, 7, vado. 1, 2, 3, 4 e 1, 2, lento ancora. 1, 2, lento e 1, 2, 3, 4 ancora. 1, 2, lento, virgola. 1, 2, ciao 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 e ciao 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 e andiamo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Cambio. All right, cambio. Okay, so leaders, there's one more break. Lead louder. I got one more step. Leaders, when you finish your last chapter, yeah, you do this one right here. You do, let's continue. Continue. Jagatugucha. Yes, Jagatugucha. Zaga. Jagatugucha. You got that, right? What we do here? 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Step, cha-cha-cha. Side together. Then we go. Okay? So finish first so that you can do the step on the other side. Yeah, very important, leaders. Sorry about that. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Oyatara 1, 2. Oyatara 1, 2. Oyatara 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Oyatara 1, 2. Retrocesso 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finish. Step. Go. Step. Cha-cha-cha. Step. Cha-cha-cha. Side together. Beautiful. All right. Cambio. All right. Cambio. Louder. 1 count, girl. 1 count. Laurita, 1 count. I'm just putting the music. Okay?
Ancora ragazzi, andiamo. 5, 6, 7, vado. 1, 2, 3, 4. Va bene, grazie.
Va bene. All right.
5, 6, 7, vado. 1, 2, 3, 4 e 1, 2, lento ancora. 1, 2, lento e 1, 2, 3, 4 ancora. 1, 2, lento, virgola. 1, 2, ciao e ciao e chiudo, andiamo e vado. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, chiudo, 1, 2, balance.
Okay, same practice. Stay with the same practice. Music now, okay? Come on, man. All right. Come on, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 6, 7, go. And 1. Got it. Got it. One leg, one leg, one leg, one leg, one. Got it. Wait there. Feel that. Oh, essa parte aí não me mataram. Tem mais uma. Se preocupa, vou chegar. Don't stop. Big goal. Come back. Toma. And toma. Okay, stay with the same partner. Same partner. Same partner. Laura, one come, one come.
Prima di fare i movimenti quelli con la stessa gamba da un lato, il leader deve allargare le due messe, perché se rimane qua io non riesco a vedere qua. Ok, after balance, il secondo balance. Ora adesso c'è uno spostamento di peso, avete visto? Se il leader rimane esattamente qua e non c'è quella cosa in più, ok? Quindi il leader deve aprire leggermente, spostare il peso e quindi la donna riesce a fare il suo movimento un po' più sensuale, ok? Poi un'altra cosa per i follower, alla fine quando at the end after the second virgola close and then I go to balance. Qui ragazze, chiudo, non devo cercare di uscire, non ho possibilità di uscire se c'è il contatto. Quindi lo dico perché vedevo che alcune delle dame con cui ho parlato tendevano ad andare in là, ma in realtà se l'uomo vuole portarsi dall'altra parte, c'è un comando diverso, se lo if you want ok, se vuoi andare in là, è l'uomo che ci comanda e vedete, non mi dà la possibilità di uscire, quindi voi uomini dovete mantenere il contatto in modo tale che la dama non possa prendere iniziative e andare fuori. No?
Ok, è la mulher. Hey, let's go. Another song. Okay, don't stop. Do this one, just dance. Okay, come on, let's go. guys, you gotta do that. So right here, you finish, come back. Come back. Down, okay? Step. We did that yesterday, but now you come back right here. Come back right there, go right there, catch together, and do that jump. Okay? All right, come on, let's go. Divorce. Ladies, go back, leaders, come back, let's go. This shot of God. You're going to write your name on the floor. Leaders, we're going to take one step at a time, yeah? Because this is my move, okay? I didn't steal from nobody. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, right here. After the beat, let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We're on 7. Just remember 7. Okay, now, here we're going to go. 8, 1, 2. Again. 7.
Vediamo il salto 5 con la guida.
7, let's go. 7, 8, 1, 2. Again. No. Don't turn. Just send the leg. But you right here, yeah? 2. Again. 7, go. 7, 8, 1, 2. 3. Yeah. 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3. Again, okay. 5, 6, 7.
Ok, per noi ragazzi
We got it. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now let's go. That's it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1,
avanti,
2, 3,
giuro, avanti,
4, push. 5, jump.
apro,
Together, okay? And finish.
quindi
Okay?
resta
This is
sempre a
what
camminare.
yeah, again.
Non
5.
hai proprio una...
No, you can go. Yeah.
No.
5, yeah. 7, sorry, go just big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, together.
Quindi vedete, immaginate che l'uomo ce l'abbiamo davanti, quindi prima esco, giro uno qua, avanti, vedi c'è ancora. Ok.
Inglese,
Gestura is more simple is recommend that you do what you know, or however, if you want then something is like this when you go around the man, okay? And so the first after the balance, okay, 10 minutes one. After balance, turn back and open, turn back, open, in front, turn, in front, turn, chop, open and turn. Sorry. Because
listen, we have a lot of work to do, but it's really hard for the gentleman to do that move. Look, if we're right here, we did like, before, come back here, control, you right there, come back, stop, and then catch you right here. And then do that, it's really hard for them, right? So that's why I need to practice extra with them. Go.
Valdia, only 10 minutes.
I know, but this is important. They gotta live with this shit. I ain't gonna ask you, don't have another one, go back to yeah. 5, 6, One good. Ma, cha, cha, cha. Side together. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Pico, toma. Este lado, mata. Here we go. Toma, mata. Saca, burra.
Quando fare al buio che non è però
5, 6, 7, go. Pico, mata, tu, dal lado rosa, mata, atrás, aquí, together, mata, again, side, together, go. Capish? Okay. And the things go. Ladies, GPS, attack. Let's go. Attack. Attack. Dale, Selena. Mata, Selena. Estraga, Selena. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 6,
Okay, guys, we got 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. Let's speed up. Laura. Okay. Let's do one with music and then, all right.
Ragazzi, andiamo perché siamo alla possibilità 5, 6, 7, così da visto che...
Big shout out to everybody. Said the bitch like a high, I'm a bitch, but it looks like a bitch.
at me going live.
Yeah. Oh snap! This one locked up. This one still go. You catch one and you catch another one. Come on, baby. Come on.
Ok. Dimmi che dove dobbiamo fare cioè devi stare. No, già è andato. Ah, è già andato.
Five, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Side together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Side, Now let's go with the music. Okay?
Aqui não, eu tenho que usar uma boa. É muita visão, muita. Isso aqui é para fora. Foto, foto, coño. Muchas gracias, muchas gracias, muchas gracias. Oh my God, this is live.